Hey everyone, I'm Robert and welcome to this quick start guide on using Snappy, our powerful boilerplate for rapid web app development. So today I'm going to show you how Snappy combines Webflow, Wized, and Xano to help you bring your ideas to life in record time. Let me walk you through setting it up, and we're going to start by using the Webflow clonables. Let's go to the community and click on Classroom, open up the Webflow link. Assuming that you already have a Webflow account, we're going to clone this Snappy project over to our workspace. We're going to create this, call it Classroom Demo. We're going to wait until it opens up in the designer. All right, so now that it's here, we're just going to publish it to the staging domain. And by the way, we already have it mobile optimized all the pages you would need for the boilerplate of your application. You've just installed it. So now that this is published, we're going to head over to that staging domain. We're going to copy it and we're going to take it over with us because we're going to need it in the next step. So let's come back over to the classroom. We're going to click on Wiz Clonable. We're going to open up this Wiz link. And again, if you don't have a Wiz account, just create one so you can complete the step. And we're going to paste that into the staging domain section here. And so while we're here, we're just going to copy over this embed code that Wiz has generated for us. We're going to go back into the site settings of the Webflow project. And we're going to come down to custom code. And we're going to paste this into the custom code section. So we're going to replace what I have down here with the custom code that you just got from your own Wiz clonable. So just as a quick note here, you're going to need a paid account of some kind in order to edit the custom code for the Webflow. So if you're on a free plan, you'll need to upgrade it, and that'll be necessary for you to add this embed code. So once you've done that and you've added the code in here, let's just save. All right. So now that we've done that, we're going to return to Wiz, and we're going to give this a name. Let's just call it Classroom Demo, and we're going to clone this project. All right, so now we have our Snappy frontend and middleware connected. So all of your logic for authenticating, updating password, everything, all the functionality is now there tied together with your front end. So let's keep going. For the Xano backend, we have two options. Now, basically, the first option is VIP, essentially. So you would go for a basic plan with Xano at $99 a month, and I'd be able to add you over to my account as a client, and I would set up the entire backend for you. So that would save you time and ensure everything is configured correctly. And the second option is DIY. So that's what we're going to cover right now. If you don't already have one, create a free Xano account, and I'm going to have a link in the classroom that will give you a discount if you ever decide to go with a paid account with that. Once you're logged in, you're going to head over to the community again, and you're going to see these snippets here. We're going to focus first on the default snippet, and that includes user authentication. What you're going to do is click on that snippet, and you're going to add it over to your Xano account. And once you've added it into your Xano account, you're going to come over to your workspace and come down to Marketplace and go to Purchased here. And you'll see the snippets that you've added. And so now you'll be able to install the snippet to the workspace that you're working in. And once you've done that, you'll be able to copy the base URL from the end here. Once we copy this, we're going to come back into Wiz. We're going to go into My Apps, and we're going to paste that URL here. The changes will automatically save in Wiz. And then you're going to repeat this process for all the snippets provided in the classroom. So that's how you set up the communication between Wiz and Xano acting as the backend. And now we want to just make sure that just worked, right? We just added in that URL there. So I'm going to go to this login page, and you can see I'm going to try to log in, and it won't work. It's going to tell me invalid credentials. But it knows that because it's cross-referencing with an actual database. And now I can log in with the right password, and you can see that this means our Xano backend is working. And if we were to want to sign up, it knows exactly which database it's associated with. So the front end, middleware, and backend are working together, and there you have it. So you've just seen basically how to set up a full application using Snappy. I think that was less than 6 minutes. And If you want to save time and ensure everything is set up correctly, you can always opt for the paid plan through my affiliate link. Again, like I mentioned, I'll handle the backend setup for you, but that's completely up to you. Just don't forget to join the Snappy community office hours if you want more in-depth guidance. We're here to help you take your projects to the next level. Thank you for watching, and just happy building with Snappy. This video is going to be available along with other videos in our community, and I'm going to be making more to share more tips and share more information on how the rest of the boilerplate works as well. Please don't forget to engage with fellow people in the community, share your experiences, ask your questions, and showcase your creations. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the community and in the next video. Thank you.